Let's see if the birds are eating the food over here. I really don't know. Don't seem like it. Here, okay, something is happening here. Okay, they are eating, good. Cause I put this up the last time it was very chill and cold outside. And I see they eat, and other animals, small mouse or birds are eating. The food drops down. That's good. It's still minus 7 or 8, so it's pretty chilly, cold, but there was a very beautiful day today, and the birds are eating. That's good. Let's see. Now I can see the ice is growing on the lake. You can see it's coming ice. I presume that in a couple of days or maximum a week, with this cold, I can go out and ice fishing. That's a pretty nice hobby. Today, this is how it looks in southwest Sweden in the winter time. The sun is never go up higher than this. Now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, the sun is so low and only get us a couple of hours. Beautiful day again. This grill I soon gonna use. New Year's Eve I have to put this together again, because we're gonna use it here outside. I'm looking forward to see how that goes.